Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Nursyala Majid from Electronic Engineering Polytechnic Institute of Surabaya. Here, I will present our research entitled Image Data Compression in the Public Reporting System in Lamongan using the Huffman method and run-length encoding. First is introduction. Lamongan is one of the areas in East Java which almost every year experience problems in the dry and rainy season. And to overcoming all the problem in Lamongan, the government has innovated public service regarding the means of public complaints through Lapor or online people aspiration and complaint service. Lapor or online people aspiration and complaint service is an information technology-based system developed by the Presidential Office. The Lamongan Regency government has also made innovation related to reporting by creating the Lapor website, which can be accessed via lapor.go.id. Lapor.go.id is a site that can be used by Lamongan residents to report problems, aspirations, criticisms, and suggestions related to service in Lamongan Regency. When carrying out the reporting process, it's necessary to upload file as evidence, but there's a maximum size limit for uploaded photos, and for that, it's necessary to do compression to compress the file size. Compression is the process of converting of a data into a coded form with the aim of saving the needed for storage space and time for data transmission. Data compression is done by encoding each character in message or data by encoding each character in the message or data with a shorter code. And there's a lot of methods to compression like RLE and Huffman coding. And the second is problem. There's a problem when user was about to upload picture as evidence, but it can be uploaded because picture size too big and there's a maximum limit for upload. And the maximum limit is 2 megapixel. And smartphone currently have a high photo quality with a big size. So if they're to be uploaded to lapor.go.id, they must be compressed. And the third is purpose. The purpose of the research is to help people reducing their image evidence size without reducing image quality for uploaded in public reporting in Lamongan. And fourth is the system design. User input is when the reporter or the community sees that there's a violation committed by the agency in its service. Then the reporter can take a photo of the incident and collect it. After that, the photo goes through compression process, and then the compressed photo can continue to upload it in lapor.go.id. This is our method compression that we use in the research. First is Huffman coding. Huffman coding is a compression algorithm that has an output that will not lose data from the previous data. This algorithm runs by selecting a representative of its symbol or character to be used as a prefix. Huffman coding algorithm is used to compress multimedia data so that the data is lower than the previous size. And the second is run-length encoding. RLE algorithm or run-length encoding is an encoding that encodes a series of data that has the same value into one data value along with the number of occurrences. RLE used to compress text that has group of pixels with the same gray level. This method converts an entire line of text into a single run line, then calculates the run length for each successive gray level. And this is the advantage of RLE. Run length encoding, or RLE, is a very simple data compression method. This compression technique with RLE is useful for data that has a lot in common and the data is close together. Why we choose these two methods? Because from our literature research, there's no compression process that compares the two methods. And 7 is compression process. Image compression is done using MATLAB R2015A software by entering scripts and reporting evidence image. First step is open MATLAB. After that, we can insert the compression script. And inserting the photos to be compressed in the script. After that, we can click run, and the result will appear in the command window. The result is the size, the original size of a photo and the compressed size of photo. 8. Verification process on lapor.go.id. This is the report workflow of lapor.go.id. The report begins when the community reporting related to complaints or aspiration clearly and completely, accompanied by evidence in the form of image, document, or video up to 2 megapixel, or the maximum size is 2 megapixel. And after that, the report will be verified within 3 days by the authorized agency. And after that, the report will be disposition. And within 5 days, the authorized agency or PEMDA will follow up and replying to incoming reports. And then the reporter can give a response related to the reply given by the relevant agency. And the report then follow up until the case is confirmed to be complained, or the case is closed, or the report is closed. And the 9th is performance evaluation. Compression testing was carried out on 10 samples image that would be used for uploading to the lapor.go.id page, and then an analysis was carried out to compare Huffman coding and RLE. From the graph, it can be seen that the RLE method has a higher graph than the Huffman method, which means the compression results are better using RLE method in all photos compared of women. And the conclusion is, from the experimental result obtained, it can be concluded that to compress image, it's better to use the RLE method as the compression method, because the RLE method can compress image data up to 93.71% without affecting the quality of the image. That's all from us. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.